Kia ora. This introduction is a little bit different to the CHO3052 module, and it's because a lot of students find organic chemistry difficult. And the reason being is because there is a lot to learn off by heart. So by the end of this module, this table should be totally in your head because you would have learned everything. So it is a lot to learn. So how can you do it? Take lots of notes. As you go through each lesson, make sure you write out and you say out loud. All those things help. Don't just look at things and think you recognize it, therefore you know it. Write it out. There are 7 tips given in lesson 1. Go through them and keep on referring to them. Learn all the reactions in each lesson before starting the next lesson, because you'll find that a reaction for, say, alkenes to haloalkanes might be given in alkenes, and then when you get to the haloalkanes, you learn how to make a haloalkane as well as the reactions of the alkenes. So you'll have more and more familiar reactions, which will make it seem easier for you. Use flashcards to learn those reactions. Make your own flashcards or get a friend to test you to help you. Practice, practice, practice. Now, when you make your flashcards, learn in terms of type of reaction, as well as going from one functional group to the other. So a forward reaction, as well as if you had a functional group as a product, how can you make that particular functional group from other functional groups? So as an example, here are some of the cards that are given later on in this module, but you can make your own. So this is, for instance, alkenes. If you take an alkene as a reactant, then how can you make it into different products? So an alkane or a haloalkane or an alcohol. Or if I want to make an alkene, what do I need to start off with to make the alkene? So either a secondary alcohol or a secondary haloalkane to make this particular type of alkene. You can also learn by reagent. So, for instance, where is concentrated sulfuric acid all used? Make sure you think of all the different places that you use it, both as a catalyst or as a main reagent. And then also learn your Zaitsev's rule and your Markovnikov's rule to work out the major and the minor products. But it's not all doom and gloom. An organic chemist has a much simpler view of the periodic table compared to an inorganic chemist. So all the best with your learning. Kia ora.